Thursday, March 28th, 2024. Holy Thursday, Mass of the Lord's Supper. Focus. If I then, your Lord and Teacher, have washed your feet, you also ought to wash one another's feet. Let us take a look at the legacy of some great world leaders. Alexander the Great's legacy was the spread of Greek culture and influence across his vast empire. Julius Caesar left behind a legacy that transformed Rome and influenced the future of the world. Chandragupta Maurya put in place a unified Indian empire with an efficient central administration. What is the legacy of Christ? He washed the feet of his disciples and then told them, "Love one another just as I have loved you." What an unusual leader who came into the world to serve and thought only of others. It was by disobedience that sin entered the world, and Christ reversed this when he said, "Behold, I have come to do your will, O God." Adam and Eve wanted to be like God, and Christ wanted us to aspire to be not great but like servants. It was at the Passover meal, when every Jew remembers how the Lord passed over the homes strewn with blood of lambs, that Jesus told them that the bread and wine were his body and blood. The blood of this new lamb enables us to pass over into heaven. Fruit. I will actively seek out opportunities to be of humble service to others.